Hello, teacher David. My name is Ximena Alejandro Velazco, and this is my evidence number 3. So today I'm going to talk about a social problem and environment problem that affects my community every day. Pollution. Pollution, this problem is becoming more serious over time, and it has consequence for both our health and our environment. And in this presentation, I will explain what pollution is, how it affects us, what actions are being taken to solve it, and I will also suggest one possible solution to help reduce it. So, what is pollution? Pollution is when harmful materials are introduced into the environment. These materials are called pollutants and they can be solid, liquid, or gas. And in our community, we mainly see air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. For example, many people burn trash in the open air, which release toxic gases into the atmosphere. And some rivers and streams near our town are dirty because people throw plastic bottles, food wrappers, and other waste into the water. And we also see lots of garbage on the streets because people don't use trash bins correctly or because there aren't enough bins in the public spaces. And why is pollution a problem? Pollution is a serious problem because it affects the quality of our lives. First, it damages the environment. Trees, animals, and plants are affected by chemicals and garbage. And second, pollution harms human health. Bring, Breathing polluted air can cause problems like asthma, allergies, and even heart disease. And contaminated water can make people sick, especially children and elderly people. Pollution also gives a bad image of our community and it makes our streets look dirty. And this can affect tourism, local business, and even our mental health. Living in a clean environment makes people feel better and more motivated. And what causes pollution in my community? In my neighborhood, there are many causes of pollution. One of the main causes is lack of the education and awareness. Many people don't understand the consequence of throwing garbage and the ground of burning waste. And another cause is poor waste management. The garbage trucks don't come regularly, so people are forced to find other ways to get rid of their trash. And some people leave their garbage bags in the streets or empty lots and other burn it. There are also very few recycling programs in place. Traffic is another source of pollution. There are many old cars and mo- motor, mo- motorcycles, and that relays smoke into the air. And public transportation is limited. So more people use personal vehicles, which increase air pollution. And mm, Are any actions being taken? Yes. There are a few actions being taken, but they are not enough. Sometimes the local government of Escobedo organizes cleanup days where volunteers clean public areas like Parque Lineal, and schools also do recycling projects or invite speakers to talk about the environment. But however, these actions are not consent. They happen once in a while, but not regularly. Uh, and most people are not involved. There is also not enough and support from local authorities to enforce the rules or provide better garbage collection services. Some NGOs have tried to educate people about recycling, but without support from the government or media, it's hard to reach the entire population. And solution: more garbage bins and better waste collection. One solution is place more garbage bins around the community. In many places, there are no trash cans, especially in parks or near small shops. If people don't find, they are more likely to throw garbage on the ground. Also, garbage collection should be more frequent and organized. The local environment. Um, uh, and if people know that their trash will be picked up regularly, they will be less likely to throw it into rivers and streets. And what can I do to help? I believe that everyone can help reduce pollution, even small ways. For example, I always try to draw in the right place and I try to reuse bags and containers. And my family separates plastic, paper, and organic waste. And we also talk with neighbors to make sure they don't burn trash. If more people did this, we could make a big difference. And change starts with individuals and then it spreads to family, schools, and finally the entire community. In conclusion, pollution is a serious problem that affects my community in many ways. It damages our health, our environment, and damage to our neighborhood while some actions are being taken. We still need more support, education, and responsibility. We can solve this problem if we all work together with more garbage bins, better waste collection, and strong education campaigns. We can create a cleaner, healthier place to live. So, thank you for your attention, and that's it.